I know, right? I want one.
We had to do this to make it move.
Yeah, we don't even have these here. Like in this, I've never even seen them before. It's like a Fred Flintstone rail fucking bike. How cool is it?
But how did it stay on the rail? I thought it might have had a flange each side, but it doesn't.
Do you reckon by the weight of the wheels?
I suppose you're just riding a bike, you just need to keep it stable. How fabulous is that?
I know. Like there wouldn't be many of those in the world. That was the door, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's the front. Expanded with the heat.
Fuck. So we can... So cool. Wow. This is crazy. The powerhouse, that's what they call it. I don't know how many years it's been since someone's been allowed in here.
Yeah.
They're contaminated. That's why they got the asbestos signs out the front. I think we're the last ones probably going to see them until they get demolished. Be careful of the floor doesn't collapse. So cool. Oh my god. No, midnight. Just going to turn the power back on. My creation. It's alive. It's alive. Someone's been here for a beer. Huh. There's stairs over there, Dave, that go down. There's stairs down over there. Oh, there's stairs here too. Where the ladder goes. Wow, this is rotted. I want one of these mini trucks. It's the coolest thing ever. I could drive one of those around. Actually, look, you have two people, one sits on each side, and we both steer.
Oh.
So look how small the seats are, though.
Yeah, you probably both turn the wheel and that turns the motor.
That looks very exhausting.
Indeed.
Wow. This video is going to be so cool. Yeah, the other side is collapsing. The other entrance across, straight across, that I went in, there's like display cabinets in there. Oh wow, did you see that? Is that a stove or what is that? Oh, look at the TV. Oh, the shell of it though is... Oh, look at this one. Look at the TV. But the water has got to the casing. Look, here's another fridge. Oh, look at the rust. That's why it's fallen over. That's... Is that a walkway, is it?
Okay, I think so.
Oh, it's a lizard. Hey, buddy. Oh, it's on a little train.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It would have been a little cart carry stuff.
And it was carrying the fridge by the looks of it. They have massive paper trays. Jesus Christ, because that's a small typewriter. I used to have one of those when I was younger. Don't go, there's another way down. There's another stairs down there we could probably go down. There's an old truck out there too. It's really cool. Yeah, seen it the other day. It's awesome. It slides. They're on wheels. It's open.
what was in here. Locker room. All the old paperwork. Wow, that's small writing. Wow, that person had tiny writing. So neat, but so small. Jesus Christ. Some really old books. But this person's writing, it's crazy. How can someone even write that small? You won't be able to read that. Well, I always thought it was an inside joke, but it's actually true at places like this they all shower together. Here's proof. Look at their showers. They all have their showers above them and would all shower in here together. Wow. There's a display room in there. See, if we come when this open, we wouldn't have been able to go all these places. Where does that door go? General Electric again. They did all of it. The chapel chair. One, two, Fred. Be careful here, it's disintegrated. I felt like I was going to fall through it. Fred is coming for you. 3, 4, you better lock your door. Cool. God, look at the tyres on it. The tyres on it. Oh, look at all the lawnmowers. Oh, wow. What's they? Wow, it's crazy in here. Look at the workmanship on all this stuff. So random to see these lawnmowers in here. There's a Victor. Oh, they're all Victors. Oh, that's a charger. And you plug it in. Oh, that's so funny. You plug in a lawnmower. It's gonna take me ages. Oh wow. That's where that thing went in the top of that. The mould.
The mould, yeah.
It looks like some sort of pressing machine.
And there's a sink from the train carriage.
Is it a coin presser?
Yeah, you're probably around. Oh, I need to put...
Please be clean. How do you be clean? How do you be cleaning a place like this?
We don't shit in the shower.
Oh my god, look at this thing, it's so old. Only 2 people can shower in these ones. It's not an orgy shower.
And I still have the soap container.
Please be clean, shower. So funny. And the most dirtiest place to work.
Mm.
Oh my god, I love it. What's in that jar? God, I would hate to shower down here, it stinks. All the oil and everything, like. And look at their shower rooms made out of. Their bathroom's made out of friggin' wood crates, pallets.
You know what it is too,
Oh, explosives.
This side up with care, keep trying, made in Australia, guys.
So they made their shower wall with.
Yeah.
Because it must not have had a wall originally. So would have just had those showers.
Mm.
So,
And they probably wanted to give you a bit of privacy.
yeah, right, I know. Cool.
What's that?
Instructions. Can't believe it's still there in the frame. You can still read it. Battery instructions.
What instructions?
Look at them all. Fucking imagine the power to lift this thing.
That's it?
What actually needs a wheel this big?
Yeah.
Imagine the weight of that thing. Oh my god, what a monster. What an absolute... Now it's cutting.
With the regular with all the grooves to it.
Ooh. Wonder where that goes. Wow. Wonder what's down there. Go, Dave, you go first.
Yeah.
I don't remember the building going. Do you reckon this goes to the other building? The one I couldn't get into? Fucking cobwebs, I betcha. Alright, here's nothing. If there's a snake down here, I'm gonna die. I'd hate to know what I'm breathing in. Oh.
You don't think so,
What's that? Goes somewhere. water. It's all water. Huh? They're definitely mowing their lawns, aren't they? It's so cool. I think we should get out of this spot though. I'll show you the one more building we'll go. They're sitting against the wall in there.